Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. This is How to Geek and today I'm back with another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of logging into the online banking service of Wells Fargo. But before that, here's a short description about the company. Wells Fargo and Company is a leading financial services company that has approximately $1.9 trillion in assets, proudly serves 1 in 3 US households and more than 10% of small businesses in the US, and is the leading middle market banking provider in the US. So if you want to find out how you can log into the online banking service of Wells Fargo, then make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.wellsfargo.com and hit in. You'll then be redirected to the official website of Wells Fargo. Now, at the left side of the screen, you are being asked for your login details, that is your username and password. Enter the username and password of the online banking service of Wells Fargo. And if you want your device to remember your username, then check on this box right here that says Save Username. But don't tick it if you are using a public or shared device. Once you have entered the details, click on Sign In and that's it. You'll be logged into the online banking service of Wells Fargo. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Geek. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.